If 3125 to power lambda equals 1 over lambda, find lambda. This is the equation. 3125 to power lambda equals to 1 over lambda. To do it, you have to simplify it. It looks tricky, so you must multiply it so that you don't have problem. Therefore, you have to get rid of this lambda first so that you can have only this one to contain it. To do it, you have this 3125 power lambda whole power 1 over lambda. Do it here, you also do it there. 1 over lambda power 1 over lambda. This will go. So you have 3125 equals to 1 over lambda power 1 over lambda. Wait. To solve this one now, you should manipulate the left hand side. Try and get a number in which the base and the power will resemble this. Look at this one now. The base here is 1 over lambda and the power 2 is 1 over lambda. So you can get something similar to it, like any number that the base and the powers look alike. So you can just equate them. It's possible here because 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 5 times, it will give you this. So instead of 1125, you now have 5 to the power 5, which will be equals to 1 over lambda power 1 over lambda. Just observe. The base here is 5. The base here is 1 over lambda. The power here is 5. The power is 1 over lambda. That means this implies that from here, 5 is equals to 1 over lambda. So you can just solve now. This one to power 1 to over 1. So you now cross multiply. You have 5 times lambda equals to 1 times 1. So here you have 5 lambda equals to 1. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. This go. So lambda equals to 1 over 5. And that is the final answer.